Hello everyone! For today's video, we are going to explore Cebu Safari. So welcome to my vlog. Upon arrival, you can see professional photographers everywhere. We did our very first photo here in Cebu Safari, exactly in this place. On the other side of the building, near the souvenir shop, you can see sets of computers where you can overview the group pictures that is taken by the professional photographer while entering their function mode. It's up to you if you want a copy of your pictures, but you have to pay 300 pesos for every print. Wow, it's so expensive. So we decided not to grab a copy of it because we also have our phone to take our pictures. By weekend here, if you wish to come here by Saturday or Sunday, the entrance fee is a bit higher than regular days. By weekend, the entrance of the guests reaches 1,300 pesos each. During weekdays, we pay only 1,100 pesos each. The entrance fee of the kids are same with adults. So we already secured our tickets. We can get in already the safari using the QR. First stop namin sa Albieri. Ano mong pangaran sa nina bird?
Parrot. Ano ba? Aglactus parrot.
Ha? Adiw. Aduh.
Alam mo mga trainer, di ba? Ada na ka natin ang bilho? Iba sa...
Sige. Wala nagadapo sa iyo. Wala gusto magdapo. Libre ipot. Gutom ini ho. Gutom ini nadikan abil. Ato kan ate oh.
1 minute.
Ate. Na may nagdapo na sa inda. Oh, lapit ko na, lapit. Wala dito ya, lapit. Oh. Ya, dua-dua na kan ate. Wala pa. Oh, ayan na.
Favorite sa
Naano na si Ayet. Yan.
Kita dito.
One, two. Wala.
0.5. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay lang.
Either na rin kayo. Sige oh.
Ate kayo mapotos na.
Oy! Ate. Hello!
Bali mapunta to kayo.
Oy! Kita. Ha? Entering the lion den. Oh!
I'm Rosebina will be your guide for this ride. So for your safety and comfort, please remain seated while the truck is moving. Secure hold on the go bars and avoid using flash photography. And lastly, don't try to extend your fingers outside the mesh.
Wala.
lions named Max, Jack, and Bugoy. They were bred and raised in captivity from France, but they originated in South Africa. They're all male siblings and 9 years old.
Hain si Buwan. Anong pangalan si Tita Max? Si Max.
They can rest, sit, and sleep for about 16 to 20 hours in a day because lions are nocturnal and they're more active during the night. That's why po we also have here our night safari tour po. And for their diet, you provide them 5 to 8 kilos of dressed chicken or beef per lion per day. And for their lifespan, they can live up to 12 to 15 years in the wild and 20 to 25 years here in captivity po. Mas longer na ilang life diri ma'am kayo. Pwede na ilang needs.
Okay. Hain si Bugoy. Hain si Bugoy.
Ay, si Pugoy da.
Si Bugoy ma'am, kalang na heart-shaped na scar sa iyang forehead ma'am. And next ni Bugoy ma'am, si Max ma'am.
Max, ito siya.
Isa si Judd.
Jack. Si Max Bugoy.
Si Pugoy ito may heart.
Inan may sama. May scar.
Nocturnal siya. Magabi na
Okay, are we all good na po ma'am?
Yes.
Thank you. So, kaning area ma'am sir is live track to makita. Na-live track mo pick up ninyo outside that will take you to the camels and birds of the world. So your next stop po will be camels and birds of the world.
Ay, lion ka, lion. Sorry. Ito si Max. Tapos ito si Bugoy. Mga lion, white lion.
Okay, and that's the end of our quick white line safari. Or don't forget, we also have bird show at 1:45 p.m. White tiger feeding at 2:30 p.m. and giraffe feeding at 3 p.m. Okay, thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the one. Careful.
Hello!
Hi! Welcome to ano to?
Hello!
May kaon siya.
Paano na ibigaw?
Right side, the one that is in front of you, the one with the long straight horn, that is what we call an eland. Eland can be recognized by its long straight horns and its white lines on its back, and also considered as the largest antelope. One interesting fact about an eland is they produce 3 times much more nutritious than a cow's milk, which has 3 times the fat and 2 times the protein. Another thing about them is they can jump up to 10 feet in height while in a standing position. So those again are the eland. The moving forward, the one with the maleficent horns or the twisting horns, that is what we call the greater kudu. The greater kudu can be recognized as maleficent horns and its white lateral vertical lines on its back. The greater kudu is also considered as the tallest and longest horned antelope, for their horns can grow up to 6 feet in length. Another thing about their horns is they only twist once every 1 to 2 years. Once again, the greater kudu. So moving here in front of you again, on your right side, this is what we call a group of water bucks. So water bucks are strongly associated with water. They use water to elude predators like lions, cheetahs, hyenas, and African wild dogs. To identify if it is male or female, male water buck have horns while females do not have any. One interesting fact about the male water buck, the more stinkier it gets, the more attractive it is to the women. Okay. So once again, the eland, the greater kudu, and then the water buck.
Flamingo. Alam mo ba ganyan mga flamingo? flamingo, nakikita ko lang ina sa blankets. Oo, sa mga blanket, taradan mga flamingo. Wow.
Kumakain. Yan, lumot. Ang kinakain nila. 1, 2, 3. Lumot. May mga tulog o dalawang tulog. So, siguro yung kaduan tulog. Kita bantilin dati o nakaangat pa gado. Nakaangat o. Pag natutulog o kita
1, 2,
bantilin.
3, 1, 2, 3.
Talupuan.
Ano next? Irog daw galisan na sabi ni Gio pagturog.
Naka-L. Parang ingkudan.
Ganyan daw yung tulog dito. Flamingo.
Sabi ni Margie, pag tulog daw ang flamingo, ganyan ang tulog. Naka-L, parang hindi mo makita ang isang paa. Oh, yung isang paa nakataas, naka-ano. Oo, ganyan daw pag tulog ng flamingo. Grabe, ganyan pala. Totoo yun.